Hi everyone, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey to walk you through the all-new 2026 Sea Ray 23 SDX OB. This boat is equipped with the tan interior, which is their dune color. On the back of the boat we have a 250 V8 Mercury Verado. Right back here we have a spot for a ski pylon. You can also tow from the tower up top. The 2023 or the 2026 23 SDX is a totally new design, takes after the 25 and 27. We have pop-up backrest here that becomes a pillow when you're lounging. An immense amount of storage down there in the bilge. A nice feature that they switched to, all hinged storage back here, with a little alleyway for phones, keys, wallets, cup holders are all back there too. Co-captain seat is a flip-flop back and forth as well. Phone chargers are all around the boat. Grab handles. This boat does have the sea deck all the way through. On the starboard side, you can have a single display with a glove box or twin displays. Traditional Sea Ray switching, Lenco trim tabs, binnacle, and additional phone chargers and 12-volt chargers. Now, this is the biggest difference. It is more of an offset walkthrough instead of a true center walkthrough, which gives you the ability to have this larger, if you want to call it, berth head area. You do have some filler cushions in there that give you the ability to let the kids nap or change a baby. And then on the port side, we have radio and a glove box. Pete'll make his way up through the bow, where you do have windshield with a wing door to protect everybody who's in the back if it's a colder day. And then the other really nice feature is now we can have 3 forward-facing passengers up here in the bow. So I can lounge out here, someone else can be forward-facing just seated, and another lounging passenger. So now you have 3 people versus 2 from the old traditional style. Really nicely appointed up here. We have anchor will store underneath the bow ladder, so no more hopping back around on islands. You can just go right over the bow. So again, this boat is loaded with new features, new designs. Come check it out here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Frank and Teskey. See you out on the water.